Hi friends, welcome back to another Spanish lesson. I'm Miss Danny, and today's topic is going to be the days of the week. So let's start and go ahead with our presentation of the day. First, we got Sunday, Domingo. Now repeat after me, Domingo. Very good. Next, first day of the week, Monday, Lunes. Lunes. Now your turn. Lunes. Second, Tuesday, Martes. Martes. Your turn. Martes. Great. Now we have Wednesday, Miércoles. Miércoles. Now repeat after me. Miércoles. Jueves. Thursday. Jueves. Jueves. Friday. Viernes. Now repeat after me. Viernes. Viernes. Friday. And last, Saturday. Sábado. Sábado. Now your turn. Sábado. Great job. Now we can move on and listen to the song that I have prepared for you for today's lesson. I hope this one is helpful for you and you can keep listening to it in the future after the lesson.
Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. 7 días tiene la semana. 7 días tiene la semana. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. 7 días tiene la semana. 7 días tiene la semana.
Awesome. All right. So we've learned that the week has 7 days. So let's go ahead and review these days again. So we have Saturday, sábado, sábado. We have sábado. After sábado, Friday, viernes, viernes. Thursday, jueves, jueves. Wednesday, miércoles, miércoles. Tuesday, martes, martes. Monday, lunes, lunes. And Sunday, domingo, domingo. Okay, friends, I hope this lesson was helpful. I will see you next time for another Spanish lesson. Bye.